Very delicious. Mm. Mm mm mm. Welcome back to the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. My name is Aisha, and today, guys, I have a vegan dish for you. So today, guys, I'll be making my tofu coconut stir fry. Guys, of course, I can't leave out the vegan folks. So guys, if you want to know how I put the flavor of love into my dishes, stay tuned for more. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video, and let me know what you think about my recipe today. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients for my tofu coconut stir fry. So over here I have a pack of tofu, and this is the extra firm tofu, guys. So this is the main ingredient to my dish. I have some oil, I have broccoli, bell peppers, chili peppers, string beans, edamame, some salt, garlic, scallions, ginger, sugar, chopped onions, some mushrooms, carrots, coconut milk. I got soy sauce. This is a sweet soy sauce, and this is the normal soy sauce. So I like the taste of both. I got some rice vinegar here. And guys, over here. And guys, here I have some mint leaves, and the reason why I put it in iced water is because the mint leaves were a little bit limp, and to get any vegetables back to a nice firm look, you put it in iced water and it pops right back. So remember guys, tofu doesn't really have a taste. It doesn't have a taste at all. It just tastes just like anything that you're cooking. If you're making curry or you're making coconut tofu, it's just gonna taste like whatever you're cooking. It looks like a big sponge, right? You're just gonna slice our tofu. Tofu is just so soft, guys. So what I'm gonna do is just fry these to make a delicious vegan meal. And this is what it looks like. Guys, I'm just gonna season my tofu a little bit, because for me, I feel like if you just put tofu in the pot, it tastes just like eggs with no salt. That's just what it tastes like to me. So I'm just gonna season my tofu lightly with some salt, so it could have a little bit of flavor at least, you know? Okay guys, and now that my pot is heated, I'm gonna go ahead and add my tofu to the pan. So guys, we're just gonna go ahead and put our tofu in the pan and turn down the flame, guys, so it doesn't burn. Think about like you're cooking bami. You see they're able to move around in the pan. That's what you're looking for, because you know anything that goes in cold oil will stick, and you don't want them to stick. You want them to come out nice and crispy like bami. Okay guys, so once they're golden brown on one side, we're just gonna flip them. You see how easy these flipped? Because the oil was hot and it was not sticking to your pot. These are gonna be so crispy, guys, when you eat them, and full of flavor because I seasoned them with salt. Okay, guys, so now that these are done, we're gonna just drain them on this and set it to the side. And we're gonna just continue with our recipe. And this is how they look when they're done. Okay, guys, I did drain some of the oil, and now we're gonna saute our garlic, our ginger, our chili peppers, and our onions. I want my dish to have a little bit of kick, so that's why I used so much chili pepper. You can use the chili pepper to your discretion, guys. We're just gonna saute this. And once your vegetables become transparent, where you can kind of see through, you're gonna just add your coconut milk. That's just gonna help with the base of your sauce. And some brown sugar. This is a half a cup of brown sugar, guys. And you're gonna just stir. Guys, I would say 3 tablespoons of soy sauce because it contributes to the color and it has a little bit of sweetish, salty taste. And that's how I like it. So guys, I'm just gonna let this simmer for a bit, and as soon as it starts to boil, I'm gonna add the rest of my vegetables. Okay guys, so now that the coconut sauce is boiling up, we're gonna just add our vegetables. We've added our broccoli, our bell peppers, we're adding our mushroom. We're gonna add our carrots because you know these are sweet and delicious. And guys, we're gonna add our beans and our edamame. The edamame, they're packed with so much protein. So guys, what I'm gonna do is just let this simmer, and once the veggies cook, we're gonna add our tofu. So guys, this is what I have here is just some cornstarch and water. It's not gonna change the flavor of the food. I'm just using a little cornstarch and water just to thicken up my sauce a bit so that the sauce would have some body and not just like a runny sauce, guys. So we're gonna just cover this back up and let it cook. Okay guys, so I just want to show you something. You see how thick that sauce is? The cornstarch helped with that. And everybody knows that I like my vegetables a little bit crunchy. So now everything is ready. We're just gonna add our tofu, guys. And then the tofu is gonna just cook for about 3 minutes just to absorb all that coconut flavor, guys. So now we mix that in. Guys, you could like cut them up in cubes if you wanted, you know, but I wanted to do it like this so he could have some type of symmetry. Okay guys, so we're gonna add our rice vinegar, and it's gonna be a tablespoon. And what this does, guys, this is how it looks. It's gonna add some tanginess to your pan, which is gonna boost up the flavor. We're gonna add a whole bunch of scallions, guys, on top. And last but not least, our mint. Wow, this is real good. This is the finished product on my tofu coconut stir fry. As I said, this was a vegan dish, and guys, it is so divine, coming to you from the Jamaican Taste Buds kitchen. Guys, over here I have a coconut rum infused cocktail, and that's just a short video that will be coming up in the middle of the week. It is so delicious and it pairs so well with this vegan dish. Yes guys, so I have my tofu with my bell peppers, my assortment of vegetables, and I paired it with some basmati rice. So now that it's presented, guys, it's time for the taste test. You know I always have to try the food for you guys, right? I'm gonna try this tofu for you using my chopsticks, and let's taste, and I'll tell you what it tastes like. Guys, very delicious. And I will try bell peppers, the carrots. It almost tastes like coconut slash sweet and sour. My broccoli, green beans, my rice. Guys, I can tell you, this is a hit. And you don't have to be vegan to try this dish, because I'm telling you guys, it is very delicious, very nutritious, very refreshing. Sometimes we just have to give the meat a break, right? So, tofu coconut stir fry, it was worth it, guys. Give it a try and let me know what you think, because I will be making this again. And guys, as I said, the rice vinegar gave it that tangy boost. You don't have to put it in, but it's worth it, guys. Guys, as my granny used to say, I saw food fit taste.